This video gives step-by-step instruction on how to create a new nonlinear major material item in the OpenPoint system. First, we want to go to the main menu, into Components, and then Materials. We're going to click on the orange plus button to add a new record, and then we're going to fill in creating a material. You can use whatever inventory numbering system you have. And then we're going to fill in the description of what this item is. It's going to be a nonlinear item. We're going to issue this item by the each and purchase it by the each. It's going to be in the electric system. And then we're going to leave the track inventory button highlighted because we do want to count and track this inventory at the end of each year. Then click on Create. In the material overview screen, you'll notice that there are no warehouses showing in the center. So on the right-hand side, we need to go find the warehouse that we want this inventory product associated to. So in this instance, we're going to the main electric warehouse, and we want to create the association between this pole and this inventory item in this warehouse. So you just want to click on Create. Going back to the material overview screen, you can now see that the main warehouse is showing in the center section of the material overview pane. So if you want to do other things on this particular material item, we can go into the material attributes and see that there's a notes field. If you'd like to put a more detailed description of what this is, you can put it in this notes section. You would want to leave all the hours untouched. That is for a specific use for another thing, so we wouldn't want to fill in any of those hour fields. So that's it. We just want to save any changes we had made there. And that's it for how to set up a new major nonlinear material item.